Hello, my beautiful skulls. I miss you so much. It has been a long time since my last video, and my last video was last year. Yeah. Well, I'm pretty much busy. I have my own school of drawing and painting, and lately I am crazy about some beauty makeup looks, but I still want to share my creativity, my ideas, and my drawing, of course, illusions, with you. So today, I was watching some videos on YouTube and one video jumped in front of me and I said, yes, this is it. I want to try this look. This look. I'm in love with Miss Annity. So I need to start doing this. Okay, we need wig, teeth, and those clothes. Okay. Well, I don't have that clothes. I don't have that wig. I don't have, I have just teeth. I will figure out something. Let's start. I look so tired. I look so tired. I am tired. What is wrong with my hair? My hair looks awful. I don't care. I love it. First, let's take off my makeup. My eyebrows are gone. I will wear wig later, so now I will hide my hair. So it's gonna be easier for me to draw and to see what space I have for painting. I look like an egg. An egg. Let's start with eyes first. So I'm just making a sketch right now, but I think it's small. I need to make it bigger. Now we have the smallest black eye here. Those two small eyes are on the beginning of my eyebrows, so that's cool because they will be painted in black and that will cover my eyebrows. Okay, and we have a bigger one here. Yes, no. Let's make it higher, like here. Her face looks like it's ripped and I want to make a sketch for that, and after that I will paint everything. Sides are not symmetrical, so I have a freedom to make it how I want to. Her mouth are open with teeth out, and that's why I need to put exactly the same position of my lips so I can make a good sketch. I feel very stupid painting like this. Let's first apply red color. I'm using maroon body paint. This is beach berry. I think this is a good tone for that bloody part. I really love this maroon body paint because they are so creamy and you can use eyeshadow over them and blend very good. I hope my spider eyes doesn't look like eggs when I close my both eyes. I don't like this part. I will change this part, and this part will not be bloody. I will leave that in that skin tone. At the end, I will add some blood drops. I changed a little bit this look because I want to have more of the ripped skin here. It looks a little bit empty here, so that's why I want to move that ripped thing here. I'm using black maroon body paint for my spider eyes. And after that, I will make shadows on that red body paint to make that eyes are pop out, right? Yeah. To make them 3D. Yes. I always first doing small circles, and I am adding because I don't want to erase black colors. If you erase black colors, it's becoming messy. So this is a safer way. I don't want to stay like a ladybug, and that's why I will use black eyeshadow and to create shadows on the edges so that this part will looks like it's under the ripped skin. For highlights, I will use white Supra color. I want to make those eyes realistic. Oh, my eyebrows are making a problem here, but not too much. I'm adding on some spots white color because I don't want to make the surface flat. And after this, I will add black eyeshadow too. Going back with my fluffy brush and blend that black lines. Now I need very tiny brush. This is a very tiny brush. Okay, let's make some shine. Yes. We have lights on eyes. It's not lights, reflections. So on the picture, reflections are here, but I will change that because of my eyelid. I have more space here, so every reflections on each eye will be here, up in that corner. First, I am adding white super color and blend it with my finger. With this brush, I will just tap that white. Before I start applying my foundation, I will clean edges with wet wipe. I'm starting first with Crayon paint stick 4W. Coverage is excellent and they're long lasting. For edges or highlights, I will mix those two tones of TV paint stick. Adding TV paint stick 9 for some texture on her skin, my skin. Let's fix with translucent powder. I will use Crayon translucent powder, but I need a small brush just to fix this part with foundation, not this part. I can't touch this red part. This is the red brush. Brown eyeshadow to make more texture. I'm just tapping. With a stipple sponge, I'm adding blood over my lip. Just to apply my feet from mostlythat.com and to make my hairstyle, and I am back. See you soon. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share